Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Deferred Expense 𝒂𝒄𝒂𝒍 module developed by 𝗀𝒐𝒏𝒄𝒂𝒍. The Deferred Expense module extends the functionality of the 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒍 accounting module. It allows you to handle deferred expenses and prepayments by spreading them in multiple entries that are automatically created in draft mode and then posted periodically. This module is a great tool that allows users to simplify distributing expenses by enabling them to make entries with future periods. Let's get started with our demo. Click on the Accounting module. Then navigate to the Configuration menu. Click on the Deferred Expense Type. In the Deferred Expense Type section, the process is straightforward. We will create templates for one-time use and associate them with specific services or product. Once these templates are configured, whenever we utilize a corresponding service or product, the system will automatically apply the predefined configuration from the associated template. Let's begin with creating a new template. In this demonstration, we will use the example of insurance expense. As you can see here, we have to input the name of the deferred expense. Then we have to choose the journal. We will select Deferred Expense. And here we have to select the Deferred Expense account, Recognition Entries account, and Recognition Entries Expense account. Next, we'll move to Periodicity section. Here we specify the number of entries that should be created and the frequency at which they should occur. For instance, we can set it to generate one entry every 12 months. Here we have additional options. Check the Auto-Confirm Asset option if you want the system to automatically confirm the deferred expense of this category when it is created through invoices or material reset. This option depends on the automatic creation field. You can also check the Group Journal Entries option if you want to group the generated entries by categories, providing a more organized view. Additionally, if you want to create a separate record for each quantity, you can check Create Record for each quantity. Here we have the Pro Rata Temporis option. This selects the first recognition entry for this deferred expense, which will be based on the purchase date instead of the first day of the month. Now, let's move to the Vendors menu to create a new product. Click on Create. We will input the product name, Insurance, and we select the product type as a service. Then in the Accounting section, we have to select the Asset Expense type to associate it with the template we created earlier. We will select Insurance Expense. Then save it. Now we go to the Vendors menu to create a vendor bill using that service. Click on Create. Select the vendor. Select the product, Insurance. Then, input the price and the bill date. Then click Confirm. Now we go back to the Deferred Expense under the Accounting menu. As you can see, there is a record here which is Insurance and the status is running. Click on it. In this page you can view the recognition board. It shows the recognition date, cumulative recognition, recognition amount, and here the residual amount. Also here you can see the linked entries. What's in red means that the entry is unposted. If it is yellow it means in a draft. And if it is green that means it's posted. We can go through the entries by clicking on this Smart button. And you can look into the journal entries related to this deferred expense. Once you move all these entries to posted, the status will change to closed. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the Deferred Expense module developed by 𝗀𝒐𝒏𝒄𝒂𝒍. We hope this video has given a clear image of how to handle deferred expenses and prepayments to enhance your accounting processes. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of 𝗀𝒐𝒏𝒄𝒂𝒍's 𝒂𝒂𝒑 module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.